Boker Tov, everyone. This week, Parashat Noach, our makam of the week is makam Sigah. Last week we had makam Rast, and we discussed that the scale for makam Rast is the foundational scale for other makamat in the Arabic music system. The names of each note in the scale help dictate the use of makam Sigah today. The note number 1 in the Rast scale is Rast. It's the head note, it's the first note. The second note is called Du-Ka, which means second place. The third note is called Si-Ka, which means third place. The fourth note is Jahar-Ka, which means fourth place, etc. So Si-Ka is the third note in the Rast scale, and we use it in connection to the number 3. In Parashat Noach, we have many instances of the number 3. We have the Teba being built with 3 floors, Noach's 3 sons. Noach sends out the Yonah 3 times. Because of the repetition of the number 3, we use makam Sigah, and in other parashiot that relate to number 3, or sometimes the third parasha in a sefer, we will also use makam Sigah. An interesting thing about the Sigah note itself is that it is a quarter note or a quarter tone, meaning it cannot be played on any Western instrument. You cannot find the note on a guitar, on a piano. It can only be played on fretless instruments or Arabic instruments or Middle Eastern instruments that have special tunings and intonations that allow us to access this note. So it's very difficult for us here in the United States to hear Sigah or hear the note so often because it doesn't exist anywhere in our music system. Sigah is also the makam that we use for the ta'amim of the Sefer Torah. Sigah goes as follows. Sigah, 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 Sigah. Baruch.